Vader Woods. The racing? No, that's tomorrow night. It's the championship tomorrow.
Miss Sheila. No, I got awful writing.
Looks fun.
Let me figure out where I want to put it.
Hey, you can even write over Odom's bar and package. I don't care.
What the hell this thing you got, Pete?
You have to pull it really hard. The black part pulls off.
Oh, where we at?
Here.
Well,
What do you want? Here, let me sign it. You know what I'm gonna sign. Boo-boo.
They talk about that old saying. They talk about that old saying.
Anywhere you want, even on the writing. Like on the Odom's bar and package, you can write over that. Outside on the hood.
Well, I know that. On the hood,
Yeah.
the sign my name.
Yeah. Or sign, you know, put a goofy message on there. You can write on the letters too.
Can you?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it right here.
Fantastic.
Hey.
What's going on, Jerry?
Where'd you get that salsa?
We're signing the car.
Here, I'm making chili now.
Oh, I don't want to.
No, taste it.
Oh, Debbie's gonna sign.
Annie, I'm making chili
Okay,
now.
well, that's good, but I don't want to lick the bowl.
Lick it, bowl. Oh man,
God
that's
darn, it's crummy.
lick it.
Your bowl?
Yeah, we got some close over
You sign up bar card? Wish us luck. Wish us luck.
Wish us luck.
Oh, wish us luck. Okay, I'm sorry. I can't hardly hear you.
I can't even.
Good luck.
So what we need is last night tomorrow.
I'm gonna sign it, Jessica Medeiros Leduc.
Wish us all luck. That's the driver right there.
Oh, that's not funny, Dustin.
Yeah, it's funny.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna do it, but that's what I told him.
yeah, you got wish us luck. Last
All right.
that's not for the bar
You
card.
don't need luck. Y'all got speed.
Did you all want to sign the car
We're
too?
9th out of 7. That's why I said we need luck at championship tomorrow night.
I didn't know it was gonna be some event to sign my name on the car, man.
Well, come on here, take the thing.
The
Make your way
hood's
out there.
going out back. The hood's going out back. Hanging up on the patio. Yes, son. That way when you come in
I
here.
told Charlie, I don't know if you want me signing your car. As big as I am, my name might even add too much weight.
Can't be no bigger than those
I'm gonna put that on the internet.
Climb in it, turn the key on, see how you do. You can't do that. She's been a good guy. He's got the key.
It ain't gonna take nothing to get from me.
He's got the key. Now,
I'm pretty sure I can take it.
let's take it, Ron. take it running around the bar and then we'll get picked up.
All right, come on, Dustin got it.
Anytime, come on.
Hey, we was waiting on you for how long? Now you gonna come up and be cocky?
You look fantastic this evening. Oh, you got to sign it on the hood.
Oh, I do?
Yep.
Okay. Let's see.
Look, somebody didn't sign it on the cow.
Yeah, that was Charlie.
Oh.
Speedy to the boneyard? Oops. What?
I think she's wishing the car into the boneyard. No.
Oh, it's about to go to it's about to be scrapped.
This is its last race coming up.
Yeah.
Hey, I got it right in the damn dead middle.
I'm just gonna sign my name. That's all I'm gonna do.
Speedy to the boneyard, because he said he was going to trash it, so I want him to really send it.
All right, come on, Dustin.
Hey, the marker came apart.
Oh man, you're breaking the marker.
Put it back together.
What is wrong with you?
Yeah, just come.
Man.
Had you take a picture of a passed out man on the hood yet?
I'm getting video. Do you want to come pass that on the hood?
Come on, baby.
I got myself on there.
What
I
you
don't
want to do?
understand.
Jump up there? Get up there.
Oh!
And I can pass that.
Oh, wait, hold on.
What's up?
I said if you took a picture of a passed out
Well,
man
you
yet,
see
she
what I
said,
wrote?
help me up.
Speedy to the boneyard.
There you
Put
are.
it in the hood. That's going to cost you $1,000.
Well, you better come here and help me get off then.
All right, come in. You may put some extra dents in this
Oh,
thing.
yeah, my high heels are so low. Thank you.
Yeah, baby.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Boy, that's
Oh, don't
nice.
sign it up there. That's not going on the back patio. You got to sign it on the hood.
Right between Odom's and bar.
Oh, you can write on the letters too.
Oh, that'll work.
Okay.